हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू द टुडेज फोरम। आज का फोरम में प्रेसाइसली हम लोग देखेंगे क्या एसएपी फ्यूरी में जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी अवेलेबल है। सो मेनी प्रोपागेंडा, मेनी क्यूरीज, मेनी इंफॉर्मेशंस, मेनी जॉब सीकर्स has one dilemma in their mind. Shall SAP Fiori has the life now or in upcoming era? Let's first understand what are the propagandas, what are the other queries are coming into the market. So there is a big problem we heard from many peoples always. So many job seekers are saying, oh, what should be I have to do? So it's called it as a rumor. And in another aspect there is called a propaganda. So in terms of rumor, जो कि हम लोग बोलते हैं कि हाँ एक गलत अफवाह फैला जाता है, एसएपी फ्यूरी में फ्रेशर में जॉब अवेलेबल नहीं है. In fact, whenever we are saying it up, there are the jobs are available in freshers, but still the people are going to say it up. Still the job seekers are saying it up. There is no jobs available in the SAP Fiori at all. Do not do SAP Fiori. You will be spoil your life. You will be spoil your life ever, ever and forever. Now, similar to that, no company is going to hire in SAP Fiori at all. That is also going to be rumorized into the market nowadays oftenly. जिस किसी का भी मुंह से सुनोगे, अरे भैया करो ही मत, करोगे तो फंस जाओगे. Life is totally spoiled in SAP Fiori. After doing the SAP Fiori, you don't have any kind of job, you don't have any kind of opportunity, you do not have to get any kind of breakthrough at all. क्या ये सच है? Do you think that is that true? That we are going to discuss it. But apart from rumor, there are some propaganda is also going on into the market. What are the propagandas? So that propaganda is SAP GUI is replaced by SAP Fiori. क्या SAP बोलती है कि SAP GUI जो अभी मार्केट में बहुत तहलका मचा के रखा हुआ है, everyone is grabbing the job opportunity, the consultant are working over there, very next to that it will be replaced by Fiori. के बारे में भी डिस्कस करेंगे एंड क्या सच है उसका भी जानने का कोशिश करेंगे. Similar to that, what are the disadvantages if you can do the SAP Fiori apps or SAP Fiori? So there are many people who already in SAP Fiori, those who are wanted to get insight to the SAP Fiori. They just want to know what are the disadvantages are there. And finally, many propagandas are also coming into the market. There is no job stability at all. In a company, the layoff is oftenly going on. Within a 2 to 6 months or 3 months of the period, the people are losing their jobs. That true or false? That we can understand in this forum, and then will we conclude that whether SAP Fiori is the right choice to boot up or start up the career for a freshers, middle level job seekers, as well as the experienced consultant. Prior to that, don't say do not do SAP Fiori in 2024 unless and until it is not been concluded. So in this forum, will be conclude that whether we can choose the SAP Fiori or will we choose something different. So let's do that. Open the forum and join together. Prior to that, let's welcome to everyone to this forum itself, and congratulations those who are associated with us, and definitely we are highly appreciate for your valuable time, and I'm thanking to all the team members as well as the IT team of Metaphor Consulting, who is definitely arranging such kind of forums and bringing this kind of facility towards the world market and as well as the live world. Guys, today precisely we will be focused about the SAP Fiori complete walkthrough. We'll be tell you from the beginning to the expert that yes, this is the SAP Fiori and this is the obstacles in SAP Fiori, this is the benchmark in SAP Fiori, and so on, so on, so on, so. Definitely will be tell you what is our agenda. Very next will be discuss on that, and it will be cover each and everything. So in short, I just have to tell you today live session is very important for fresher job seekers, those who are interested to move their career into the IT world, the job seekers those who are having the domain experience and wanted to switch the technology, those who are the job seekers is already continuing in SAP and wanted to move ahead and upgrading their skill set, those who are the experienced consultant and carry forward their journey in the same platform itself. So for all the job seekers, this forum is a highly important, and we also going to know what is UI5 itself. So go ahead and understand it further. Guys, a special announcement for each and every associates, students, candidates and audience. In this entire forum हम लोग 3 ऐसा गिफ्ट आपको लिए रखे हुए हैं जो कि आपका कैरियर को कुछ अलग डायरेक्शन से लेके जाने वाला है. So the first gift is, we are going to ask you 3 different questions, and if any 3 persons consecutively, first, second and third, you guys can able to understand very clearly, जो सबसे पहला आंसर देगा हर 3 क्वेश्चन का इसी फोरम के अंदर, सबसे पहला जो विनर, उसको मिलेगा 100% जॉब प्लेसमेंट एब्सोल्युटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट फ्रॉम द मेटाफोर कंसल्टिंग प्रोस्पेक्टरी. The second gift which we are announcing right now, the student or job seekers who own as a second one, he or she will be work with us in a live project, will give them the opportunity to work. And definitely the third contest who is going to own this one, they will be get a marvelous t-shirt from our side which will be branding from the metaphor consulting itself. So guys, आज के फोरम में 3 डिफरेंट गिफ्ट आपके लिए है, तीनों के तीनों एक से एक बढ़कर है, बट आई डू एज्यूम एवरीवन कैन ऑप्ट फर्स्ट वन सो दैट इट विल गिव ए 100% प्लेसमेंट and 100% job guarantee. So let's move towards and understand our first question first. The first question which we are trying to ask it to the all the audience is, what is UI5? So guys, till the period you can think, use your brain and try to figure it out what is UI5. Will be moved towards the today's session. So guys, first of all, we are trying to highlight couple of things. सबके मन में एक ही चीज आती है कि SAP Fiori कंसल्टेंट में बन जाऊंगा, चलो ठीक है, मैं कोर्स भी कर लूंगा, चलो ठीक है, बट व्हाट शुड बी माय सैलरी पैकेज? मेरा सैलरी पैकेज क्या होने वाली है? Can a fresher can enter into the SAP Fiori and get some salary package? Because many people, as I already said it up in the beginning itself, the mindset is do not do SAP Fiori because there is no job at all. That prospectory concept practically I can able to demonstrate over here. In fact, in this forum, I'm not going to tell you much. In the discussion itself, I'll be display you, I'll be give you the practical examples which our organization is doing, which worldwide is going to do it. Everything I have to be frame it out and going to display you one after another. So सबसे पहले the very initial and the beginning we can able to move forward. What is the consultant salary package in SAP Fiori for freshers as well as experienced guys? So I'm just quickly jump up to the Google. Okay, so what Google is going to say, because we are oftenly trust in the Google first. Okay, so here I just have to put SAP Fiori, Fiori, Fiori salary package. Okay, now you can see that there is a tentative figure is going to say it of 2.7 lakhs per annum to 17.2 lakhs per annum. Okay, so this is the salary package is offering. 2.7 is for the fresher guys, so don't be hesitate that no, fresher don't have the job opportunity. Yes, fresher have the job opportunity. I'll give you the truth. I'll give you the process how a fresher can able to get a job. Now, why I am going to say all these things, that I am going to tell you in a very concrete and clear manner. See, Metaphor Consulting, we are from the Metaphor Consulting, representing Metaphor Consulting, and through the Metaphor Consulting, we are organizing this forum. So let's first go to the Metaphor Consulting URL. So metaphourconsulting.in. IN stands for India. I'm just going to quickly jump up to Metaphor Consulting URL, and there you can able to identify there are many social mediums is coming into the top of the buttons. Okay, so here First of all, let's be click on the YouTube and understand tentatively how many peoples are going to get the job from our side as a fresher level. So in a short video, we are very less short video releasing, but despite of which you can see that where I am putting my cursor right now, all three freshers students are placed in a single day. That means the three freshers are placed in a single day. That means the job opportunities are available. Okay, so recently there is a guy who is being placed in TCS. Now where I am putting the cursor itself. Let's suppose, forget about this short video because there are a number of short videos are available. Now goes to the long video. In the long video itself, you can see it in the 2 months back, because every month at least we are releasing one video either for a single fresher guys or for a couple of fresher guys who are being placed from Metaphor Consulting. Rather than that, there are many people are being placed, more than the figure is being. But yes, I'm just going to tell you because of the time constraint and flashing the videos into the market, because there are many peripheral activities. One of the peripheral activities is called we are doing the live forum in every Saturday, and tentatively that time is 2 to 3 o'clock in between. So here we are going to transfer all sorts of knowledge. Now coming to the point, let's park that one. Coming to the point, so here you can see that in the 2 months before, understand that 2 months before, 2 महीना पहले ही एक बंदा ने क्या किया है कि फ्रेशर में SAP MM फ्रेशर में अपना जॉब ऑप्ट कर चुका है. Okay, and that is into the TCS. Now you can see here, if we are going to be scroll back just a month before, now here you can see there are three persons, the cursor which I am going to highlight right now. There are three persons. One person is going to show it off. Yes, this is my offer letter. So it's just a 3 months before. 3 months before, the three persons are being placed, or yeah, the three persons are being placed in a company, and that is into the payroll. Similar to that, if we are going to be scroll back, so 5 months before, 9 months before, and consecutively, if we are going to be scroll it out, all these are the fresher guys where we are going to be keep placing and keep placing. This again, three more guys are placed in a single day of the period. It's a 1 year backstory. And if we are going to be scroll back and scroll down consecutively, you can see that there are the fresher guys who are being placed through the Metaphor Consulting, despite of which I just have to. If anyone is going to say that no, there is no such a job is available, or due to some reason they are going to be lagging behind and not getting the job into this IT world, IT market, reach to the Metaphor Consulting, quickly intimate to the Metaphor Consulting. We will be help you. We will be help you. Again and again, I am going to tell you, we will be help you to reach your goal, and we will be reach you in your destiny. And there are plenty of job opportunity, fresher job opportunities available at present. In this live forum, I am just going to confess, going to intimate you, there are three areas where we have the opportunities, more than 10 resources. One is in Chhattisgarh, one is called the Odisha location, and that is into the KPO Kalinganagar, that is the Tata subsidiary company, and one more in the Jamshedpur location, that is into the Tata Steel and TCS. So we have the job opportunity in our hand, but yes, there are some parameters you have to follow. So this is related to the job opportunity towards the fresher candidate. That's I'm trying to highlight it. Despite of which, if you want to more dig into the market, I'm just going to say that okay, so go here to the Google once again and put the name of Metaphor Consulting. There we can able to show you what are the job we are flashing into the market. Despite of before going to the Metaphor Consulting, I just going to tell you SAP training in Jamshedpur. That is the another way of searching. If we are going to search, then we are in the first position always. Why? Because we are giving the true dedicated and transparent services. Now if you are going to click over here and scroll down, you can see we are flashing a numerous job opportunity over here. See, I'm just clicking it out, the job opportunity, and you guys can able to see it. Yes, it is being available. I'm just scrolling it here. Now you guys can see one job opportunity is available. February 2024 we flashed the job opportunity is available, and similar to that, the candidate which being passed out and placed successfully placed, that also being highlighted over here. There is another job opportunity is available in 31st January. And how you, and here also we can say it up. If it is a experience, then it is a experience. If it is a fresher, it is a fresher. And what are the persons are being placed from the Metaphor Consulting, whether as a fresher? Definitely we are keep focusing to the freshers because they are struggling into the market. we are helping to the experienced guy that is in another massive way. That's spark it out. But for the freshers, they are struggling a lot. They're demoralizing it. That is the reason we are keep doing the attention right now. Here you can see that pp freshers, we have a job opportunity and we are sharing across. So like that, we have the enormous job opportunity is in our hand and continuously we are going to place. So I'm just scrolling it out, all the names you can see here, and people are being placed, and the different company itself. You can see here Tata Timken is a different company where we are being placed with the 20K of the salary. What else you require, my dear friend? And still you are going to say that you don't have the job opportunity. If you don't have the job opportunity in your hand, or if your CV is not going to be shortlisted at all, or a job is not knocking your door, then in that case understand one thing: there are some communication gap is in between, and that you have to be eliminated. It could be the job, it could be the CV making processes by you can able to eliminate. It could be you can reach to the consulting firm, true consulting firm as like Metaphor Consulting. It could be you have to do the certification courses like that, so and so, so and so. Once you will be reached to Metaphor Consulting, will be identify where and what is the stage of your disease and will be cure it. Okay, this is transparent message which I am trying to highlight over here. Coming to the point, if you can able to reach to the Metaphor Consulting and check it out, okay, what are the other clients where the people are going to be get placed. You can see here there are many clients is being available apart from that where we are going to be keep placed. And despite of which, Metaphor Consulting is also doing the other activities, other peripheral activities over here, called it as IT consulting, outsourcing, as well as business consulting, and we have a training leg called it as a training. Okay, that's called it as a SAP training. So those who are going to interested to take the SAP training, they are most welcome. With us there is a very good and good facility with all the schemes is training with the placement facility. Okay, after the training we will be help all the candidates to get and reach their goal itself. So this is related to the training plus placement facility which Metaphor Consulting is offering it. But our agenda today is for the salary. I'm just going to be divert for some time period because people are keep putting the messages, oh there is no job, no job, no job, no job, no job and all. But here the job facility are available now. So this is the tentative figure which SAP Fiori is offering into the market. Now jumping into what else SAP Fiori is bringing into. So if we are going to say it up, we are same thing displaying over here. This is the figure of the salary package which freshers are getting nowadays, and in the SAP leg itself. So in SAP Fiori is the one component, and this is the figures already we are proven, and same thing we are going to display it over here for sake of your knowledge and understanding. Now we can able to jump off. Okay, if we are going to do the SAP Fiori, prior to that understand ये SAP Fiori क्या है, ये UI5 क्या है, इसके बारे में कहां से मेरे को इंफॉर्मेशन मिले, या मेरे को ऐसा इंफॉर्मेशन दीजिए जो कि हम फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट में कहीं से पढ़ भी सके, मेरा पैसा खर्चा ना हो एंड मेरा डेस्टिनी भी पहुंच जाए. So okay, so if you are going to understand about the SAP Fiori is a end user applications where the users can much more friendly to do the activity with a hassle-free journey. What about the UI5? UI5 is a development to reach out the SAP Fiori applications. Now, इसके बारे में डिटेल में हम लोग समझने का कोशिश करेंगे, एंड डिटेल में समझने से पहले आज का जो पहला क्वेश्चन है हम लोग इसको ड्रॉप आउट करते हैं. आज का जो पहला क्वेश्चन है वो है व्हाट इज द फास्ट वर्जन ऑफ SAP S4 HANA. ऑलरेडी 3 क्वेश्चन हम लोग पूछने वाले थे. पहला क्वेश्चन पूछ लिए थे व्हाट इज UI5, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ UI5. नाउ दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन which is going to be asked in this session itself. That's called it as the what is the first version of SAP S4 HANA. Okay, so IT team, we are requesting to the IT team, please drop this message so that everyone can understand, every audience can able to understand and try to answer the questions and grab the opportunity. चलिए दोस्तों, आप तब तक इसको सोचते रहिए कि इसका क्या सही आंसर है, बकायदा सही आंसर दीजिए, आपको डेफिनेटली यू विल बी रिवाइडेड. नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स एंड अंडरस्टैंड द टुडे एजेंडा एंड एबल टू कंफर्म व्हाट एग्जैक्टली वी आर गोइंग टू डू इट. ये जो SAP UI5 है, ये UI5 में आज हम लोग क्या क्या कवर करने वाले हैं. तो सबसे पहले जो कवर करेंगे दैट्स कॉल्ड इट एज अ लाइब्रेरी. ओके, SAP library. Oh, I understand. Everything has the library. Everything is content in the library. But the main concerns which we are going to focus it right now, how to find UI5 library globally. आप वर्ल्ड का किसी भी कोने में जाते हो, UI5 का ग्लोबल लाइब्रेरी कहां से ढूंढोगे, कैसे ढूंढोगे? That we can able to learn fast. What should be our second agenda? Second agenda is app generation. ये एक SAP UI5 ऐप है या SAP Fiori ऐप है, तो इसको हम लोग जनरेट कैसे करेंगे? हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई द वर्जन मैनेजमेंट. कौन सी वर्जन? SAP S4 HANA का आप जानते हैं बहुत सारे वर्जन है. 1610 है, 1709 है, 1809 है, 1909 है, 2020 है, 20 फास्ट है, 2022 है. ये सारे वर्जन में या ईच एंड इंडिविजुअल वर्जन में कौन सी ऐप अवेलेबल है एंड उस ऐप को आप कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करोगे एंड आइडेंटिफाई के बाद कैसे उसको जनरेट करोगे, दैट इज आवर सेकेंड एजेंडा. दोस्तों, मैं आपको प्रैक्टिकली ये सब चीज करके दिखाने वाला हूं. कीप पेशेंस इट. नाउ कमिंग टू द पॉइंट कॉल्ड इट एज ए कैटलॉग. ये कैटलॉग होती क्या है? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय कैटलॉग? हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू बी हैव इनटू द SAP UI5 ऐप, वो भी हम लोग देखेंगे इसी फोरम. Now moving to the next activities which we listed it out and going to present also activation. How to activate this Fiori app? What is the mechanism we are going to follow for activating this SAP Fiori app? That also we can able to learn it. And then the last which we are going to listed it out in this forum, because there are numerous thing in SAP Fiori app. Everything we cannot able to capture in a single live sessions. But yes, we are going to capture one after another, and the last which we are going to listed it out in this live forum is tiles. SAP में टाइल्स कैसे बनाएंगे? अरे यार, टाइल्स तो समझ में आता है कि घर बनाने के लिए टाइल्स यूज होती है, मगर SAP S4 HANA Fiori ऐप में टाइल्स होती क्या है? How it is being, how it is look like, and whether it is really necessary, that also we can able to learn. So guys, what we can do will be jump off to SAP platform and understand furthermore. मैं आपको बहुत सिंपलेस्ट वे बताने वाला हूं. चलिए, ये जो जितने सारे सेशंस है सबको क्लोज कर देते हैं एंड सिंपली वी आर गोइंग टू सर्च SAP लाइब्रेरी. ओके, LIBRARY. Okay, so SAP Fiori library, you can able to search it. Now you can see it in the presented screen. In this way you can able to search the SAP Fiori library or SAP library Fiori, whatever the language you can able to write, convenience for you, that you can able to put. I just put it as the SAP library Fiori. Now click it in the first one. So once you click it, you will be find it out the interface like this type. Okay, welcome. Okay, now here you will be find many more things. Don't be confused. I'll be tell you one after another. कैसे आगे जानी है, क्या करनी है, हम लोग आपको बताएंगे. टिल द पीरियड IT टीम हम लोगों को बताना चाह रही है कि कुछ क्वेश्चंस आई हुई है एंड उस क्वेश्चंस का हम लोग आज आंसर भी देने वाले हैं. So what are the questions is coming into the pictures that just I am going to and take it from the IT team. So एक देवज्योति चक्रवर्ती करके हैं, वो बोलना चाह रहे हैं, सर is there a query in SAP? Okay, he has a query. There is a query in SAP Fiori is suitable for commerce graduate. Okay, दोस्तों, देवज्योति जी, first of all, highly appreciate to drop this kind of questions. It is a very value-added questions and important questions for all the job seekers, precisely not only for the commerce, for the all streams itself. देखिए, SAP Fiori जो होती है ना, ये एक एप्लीकेशन है. ओके, जिसके तहत आप SAP को यूज करने वाले हैं. ओके, तो डेफिनेटली आप किसी भी स्ट्रीम का हो, आपको तो SAP यूज करनी है. जैसे सिंपल सा लॉजिक, आप SAP पढ़ने जाते हो किसी भी इंस्टीट्यूशन से, वहां पर क्या होती है, सबसे पहले आप एक मॉड्यूल चूज करते हो. फॉर यू, okay, probably you are a BCom student, so for you it could be a FICO module you chosen for. मैं एंटिसिपेट कर रहा हूं, मगर कोई MMB पढ़ता है, कोई PPB पढ़ता है. These are the different modules the people are going to learn it. मगर ये modules जब भी आप उसको ऑपरेट करोगे SAP में, उसके लिए आपको एक मीडियम चाहिए. एंड नाउ इट इज this medium is offering by SAP called the Fiori apps. So answering towards your question, definitely become student के लिए भी SAP Fiori apps available है and आप उसको यूज कर सकते। तो देवज्योति जी, चक्रवर्ती साहब, आपको और कुछ क्वेश्चन है तो आप बकायदा पूछ सकते हैं। So there is another questions is come from the Kirti Kumari. So thank you Kirti Kumari joining to our forum and watching the live session and your query I'm trying to address it out. सबसे पहले आपका क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं। तो are there any scope available in SAP Fiori in Jamshedpur? Absolutely. आपका क्वेश्चन का मैं सही आंसर देना चाहता हूं। आप जमशेदपुर में है तो SAP Fiori का अपॉर्चुनिटी अवेलेबल है। इनफैक्ट मैं आपको कुछ ये जो क्वेश्चन आप पूछे हैं मैं आपको यहाँ पर गूगल में भी दिखा देता हूँ। तो गो टू द गूगल एंड हियर यू कैन एबल टू राइट इट COMPANY कंपनी hiring for SAP Fiori or Fiori freshers. Okay, for Fiori 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 freshers. Okay, so now आपको दिखेगी हायरिंग का स्पेलिंग थोड़ा गलत है तो ओके, सो वी कैन एबल टू click it. So you can see that there are companies are available in West Bengal, but I just have to tell you there are company, even though in our company Metaphor Consulting itself we are hiring for SAP freshers, but किसके लिए हायर कर रहे हैं? Here the Jamshedpur is a very small area, you know very well, but यहाँ पर precisely पूरा स्मॉल एरिया को कवर करती है टाटा ग्रुप ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। सो इन द टाटा ग्रुप ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, इन टाटा स्टील, टाटा मोटर्स, even TBSL, the Fiori is massively using and the requirement is there. So answering towards your question is yes, Fiori app developers, Fiori app functional guys, both requirement is having in Jamshedpur with Metaphor Consulting as well as Tata Group of Organization too. आपका और भी कुछ डाउट होगा कीर्ति कुमारी तो आप डेफिनेटली हम लोग को कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर सकते हैं। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं एंड और कुछ स्टूडेंट्स लोग का क्वेश्चंस है उसको भी एड्रेस आउट करेंगे, मगर आगे थोड़ा सा हम लोग प्रोसीजर एंड प्रोटोकॉल्स की तरफ से भी आगे बढ़ते हैं। तो चलते हैं सबसे पहला चीज, हाउ टू यूज एंड आइडेंटिफाई द SAP Fiori apps. So सबसे पहला चीज है कि आपको अपना वर्जन्स का apps को कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करनी है। उसके लिए आपको क्या करनी है आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर मैं हाईलाइट कर रहा हूँ SAP Fiori apps for SAP S/4HANA. Okay, so there are two things is going to be provided. SAP S/4HANA is going to be offered. ये जो Fiori apps है that has been launched for two different environment. One is called SAP S/4HANA. S/4HANA in the sense on-premise edition. And another one is called the cloud, that is called the cloud edition. So don't be confused. On-premise edition in the sense there is a server which is going to be kept in the service location, and there is called a cloud, that means everything is available in the digital platform. Okay, so it's a very common fundamental concept which I am going to give it. Rather than that, if you want to get more and more details, definitely SAP has released many videos regarding this. You can able to identify, or there are many YouTubers are released this video, and there are many blogs and threads are being available that you can able to identify. Okay, या आप कमेंट्स करिए, उसके ऊपर भी हम लोग एक नया लाइव सेशन भी बना देंगे, नो वरीज अबाउट। बट आज का फोरम को थोड़ा फोकस करते हैं। So here SAP Fiori apps for S/4HANA. First of all, you can able to click because on-premise edition is slightly easier than the SAP cloud editions, because in cloud editions you require BTP. So BTP का concept मैं आपको बाद में बताने वाला हूँ, but right now you just have to use the SAP Fiori for on-premise edition. So in the on-premise edition, what will happen? You will be identify how to search. Let's be search a very fundamental part. Okay, so go here and here you can able to see it, what kind of Fiori apps you want to choose, that you can choose it, what are the technologies you are going to use it. Okay, I just have to go as a okay. Now what I can do, I'll be go with the all apps. Okay, in the all apps what I have to do, I have to search a basic apps. मैं आपको बहुत छोटा सा बेसिक एप्स के बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ। सब कोई जानता है मटेरियल मास्टर क्रिएशन, ठीक है, किसी भी मॉड्यूल का SAP कंसल्टेंट हो आपको मटेरियल मास्टर क्रिएशन पता होगा। ओके, एसएपी एस4 हाना जब से लॉन्च हुई है ना, ये मटेरियल मास्टर इसको नहीं बोला जाता, इसको बोला जाता है प्रोडक्ट मास्टर। करेक्शन, आप समझिए इस चीज को, एसएपी क्या बोलती है। आप फ्योरी में जाके मटेरियल मास्टर ढूंढोगे, नहीं मिलने वाला, प्रोडक्ट मास्टर। सो राइट नाउ आई हैव टू पुट इट एज ए प्रोडक्ट मास्टर, PRODUCT, प्रोडक्ट MASTER. Okay, product master, and search. The way I am going to do it, same thing you can able to do it. It will be more easier for your life. And now search. Once you search, then what will happen? The product master related information will be come into the picture. Okay, so product master, let's suppose create, you can able to do it, CREATE, and press enter. Once you press enter, see the selection criteria is gradually going to be changed, you can see it. Now what will happen, if you are also going to do one more thing, if you have the UI5 Fiori app number, that also you are going to be in place. If you don't have the Fiori app number, then what will happen, you will be searched by the search key. Like this you can do it. So you can see right now there are many informations are there. So I just have to click on the manage product master, manage product master data. Okay, this is nothing called it as your output which you are looking for it. Okay, तो आपको ये समझनी पड़ेगी, एसएपी थोड़ी सी क्या की है, आपस में अपना नेमिंग कन्वेंशन भी चेंज किया है। हमेशा नहीं करेगी तो उसका प्रोडक्ट कैसे मार्केट में बिकेगा। आप जो जीयूआई में यूज कर रहे थे, जो ही नेमिंग कन्वेंशन यूज कर रहे थे, सेम चीज आप इसमें यूज करोगे, एसएपी एस4 हाना फ्यूरी एप्स में भी यूज करोगे, तो मार्केट में बिकेगी नहीं, बोलेगा कि वो एसएपी तो हम लोग को कुछ XYZ बना के छोड़ दिया। ओके, सो देयर इज सम आर्टिकुलेट नेम हैज बीन चेंज्ड। नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन, दिस इज बिलोंग्स टू एसएपी एस4 हाना। नाउ second part, in SAP S4 HANA, which released one, 2023 release. This is the 2023 release version. Okay, and these particular apps will be support to how many versions? You can see here. You can see up to here 1610 onwards. This apps is going to be support. The apps number, the apps ID. First of all, I will be show you where the apps ID. Now I am highlighting this one. This is the apps ID. By using this app ID, you can able to search it in the search key itself. If you can able to put, just copy this one and put it over here in the search option, you will find it as a app ID. Okay, so what do you mean by app ID? Now you can see here the app ID is there, only and only this one, this app ID. What do you mean by app ID? आपको पता होगा GUI में transaction code होती है, right? Similar to that, this is the app ID, because this is purely a web-based application and they have some ID number. Now this ID means this app is compatible for which devices. Now system is going to say that it is applicable for desktop, it is applicable for smartphone, it is applicable for tablet. This app is not applicable, no longer applicable for smartwatch. Okay, so if it is applicable, then it will be displayed that yes, this is also applicable for smartwatch. Right now, this particular devices, in these particular devices, you guys can able to implement this particular app. Now how to implement? Before to implement, I just have to tell you couple of more things which will be going to give you the concrete idea furthermore. चलिए, so ये सबसे पहले कौन सी डेटाबेस को सपोर्ट करेगी? ओके, इट इज गोइंग टू बी सपोर्ट ओनली एंड ओनली हाना डीबी एक्सक्लूसिव. ओके, हाना डीबी को ही सपोर्ट करेगी, दूसरा कुछ को सपोर्ट करेगी ही नहीं. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सपोज यू आर नॉट इन 2023 वर्जन्स. ओके, आप एसएपी का 2023 वर्जन में नहीं हो, या 2023 में हो मगर सर्विस पैक S1 में नहीं हो, देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? जैसे मैंने बोला 2023 में हो मगर सर्विस पैक में नहीं हो, then for you the concept is something different. The concept is nothing called here. If I am going to scroll down, I'll be show you the catalog, all these things is going to be slightly changed. Okay, the facility is going to be eliminated. Okay, similar to that, enhance to enhance, the versions is going to be, जैसे आप 1610 में चल जाओगे, आपको सबसे पुराना वर्जन है 1610 है. देखिए यहाँ पर सीधा सीधा आपको दिखा दिया कि देखो ये जो प्रोडक्ट फीचर है, आप ये अभी देख रहे हो प्रोडक्ट फीचर जो प्रेजेंटेड स्क्रीन में आपको दिख रही है, जस्ट एस छोटा सा है. जहां पर मैं ये इसको ये कर देता हूं, आप आ जाओ 2023 में. नाउ प्रोडक्ट फीचर हैज बीन एनलार्ज्ड. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू गिव यू अ स्मॉल आइडिया सो दैट यू कैन एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड फर्स्ट. ओके, लेटर ऑन आई विल बी एक्सप्लेन यू ऑल दिस थिंग्स, डोंट वरी अबाउट. ओके, तो आप देख रहे हो प्रीवियस फीचर के साथ साथ आपको न्यू फीचर्स भी मिल रही है. नाउ व्हाट वी कैन डू? सो द नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी इज नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी क्या है, इसको इंप्लीमेंटेशन कैसे करेंगे। पहला चीज है आइडेंटिफिकेशन, मैंने प्रोडक्ट मास्टर को आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया, मतलब फ्योरी आपको मैंने आइडेंटिफाई कर दिया। ये आइडेंटिफाई करने के बाद अब मैं क्या करूंगा, एक इंप्लीमेंटेशन मेथोडोलॉजी में जाऊंगा। ओके, हाउ आई कैन एबल टू इंप्लीमेंट दिस वन। Before, this is the first and this is the most important parameters which everyone must have to be know. Okay, so what we can do, we have to do these activities like this. Okay, so this is called the SAP important note. Okay, these are the note, आपको नोट जाननी होगी। ये नोट आपके लिए बहुत फायदेमंद रहती है। ये नोट को डाउनलोड करनी है। नोट कैसे डाउनलोड करेंगे, एस नोट के थ्रू डाउनलोड करेंगे। ओके, एस नोट के थ्रू आप नोट को डाउनलोड करके इंप्लीमेंट कर सकते हो थ्रू द बेसिस और एबाप कंसल्टेंट। नोट को पढ़नी है, एक फंक्शनल कंसल्टेंट नोट को पढ़नी है। एंड सबसे पहला चीज है कि फंक्शनल कंसल्टेंट समझेगा, इंस्टिट करेगा एंड रीडायरेक्ट करेगा किसको, टेक्निकल कंसल्टेंट को। तो फंक्शनल कंसल्टेंट इसको डाउनलोड कैसे करेगा, दे मस्ट हैव ए एस यूजर आईडी, देन इन दैट केस दे कैन एबल टू डाउनलोड इट। ओके, चलिए ये सब कॉमन फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चंस फ्रेशर लोग जानते नहीं है, उनको मैं बता दे रहा हूं। एस यूजर आईडी, पी यूजर आईडी, देयर आर टू डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ user ID, you will be find it out in SAP. P means personal user ID, through which or professional user ID you can able to set it up, and S is called the super user ID. Okay, so super user ID as well as the service user ID, whichever you are going to be filled it as the convenience, you can do it. Okay, now coming to the point over here, so what is the use of front end server? Front end server मतलब आपका जो UI दिखेगी कैसे, यूजर इंटरफेस दिखेगी कैसे, दैट इज कॉल्ड द फ्रंट एंड सर्वर। सिमिलर टू दैट व्हाट इज द बैकएंड सर्वर, बैकएंड सर्वर में क्या रहेगी, किस तरीके का रहेगी, वो डेटा रहेगी कि नहीं रहेगी, ये वो डेटा फिर है क्या। ओके, उसके बारे में आगे जाके बोलूंगा, डोंट वरी। ओके, नाउ here every information is being available, release and information note. Okay, SAP Fiori for SAP S/4HANA 2023 and service pack is 01. This has been released to 2024, ये 2024 FVS में रिलीज हुआ है एंड इसको आप यूज कर सकते हैं। चलिए आगे आगे चलते हैं एंड समझ लेते हैं इंस्टॉलेशन प्रोसीजर। ये इंस्टॉलेशन प्रोसीजर क्या होती है, ये इंस्टॉलेशन में बेसिकली टू एक्टिविटीज का काम होती है, प्योर बेसिस का काम है एंड एबापर का काम है, इसमें आपका कोई काम है ही नहीं। ओके, सो सबसे पहले फ्रंट एंड एप्लीकेशन रहेगी एंड बैक एंड एप्लीकेशन रहेगी, मगर हाँ वेदर इट इज ए कंपैटिबल और नॉट, दैट यू कैन एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई थ्रू द SAP नोट। नाउ इफ यू डू नॉट नो whether it is compatible or not compatible, then what you can do, better to do, आप एक एवापर के साथ बैठ जाइए, वो आपको थोड़ा बहुत आपको इसको ज्ञान दे देंगे। नहीं, चलिए अब आते हैं कॉन्फ़िगरेशन लेवल। अगेन दिस इज द मेजर पैरामीटर। हाउ टू कॉन्फ़िगर फॉर UI5 एप्लीकेशन, दीज आर द टेक्निकल नेम। अब टेक्निकल नेम मैं आपको सिंपल लैंग्वेज में समझाता हूं। देखिए, कोई एक ट्रांजैक्शन कोड बनती है, राइट, एक ट्रांजैक्शन कोड तो हो गया आपका आप आईडी। ये आप आईडी जो ट्रांजैक्शन कोड बनती है उसके पीछे कुछ ना कुछ तो प्रोग्राम रहती है ना जी। ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड ए टेक्निकल नेम। सिमिलरली फ्यूरी आपको बनाने के लिए कुछ कुछ टेक्निकल्स नेम रहती है। ओके, यू कैन कंसीडर दैट दीज आर द प्रोग्राम्स। ओके, इन ए बेसिक फंडामेंटल लैंग्वेज में आपको समझाना चाहता हूँ सो दैट कि आपको समझ में आए। कल के डेट में कहीं इंप्लीमेंट करनी हो तो आप आराम से इंप्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं। डोंट बी हेजिटेट एट ऑल, डोंट बी गो एनीवेयर, डोंट बी आप rumor here and there. Okay, just patiently check from beginning to end, you will get a detailed idea. अब ये जो आप आती है ये दो तरीके का आती है। क्या है, आप सीधा SAP फ्योरी लॉगिन करिए, फ्योरी लॉगिन करके आपका आप नंबर डाल दीजिए, हो जाएगी। नहीं तो दूसरा क्या है, आपको लिंक मिलेगी। ओके, एक लिंक को क्लिक करिए, सीधा आपका खुल जाएगी, यूजर आईडी पासवर्ड डालिए, तुरंत आपका खुल जाएगी। ये लिंक जनरेट कैसे होती है, लिंक जनरेट होती है SAP अंडरस्कोर आप सॉरी SAP हाइफन, मतलब जिसको फ्रंट स्लैश बोलते हैं, एंड BC UI5 के अंदर। ठीक है, सब SAP BC के अंदर ही बनती है। और SAP BC ये हो गई आपका पाथ, और ये हो गई आपका क्या, ये हो गई आपका URL का मेजर पैरामीटर। ओके, लाइक दैट यू कैन एबल टू डू इट। बीइंग ए फंक्शनल कंसल्टेंट बेसिक आइडिया में दे रहा हूं, आप इंप्लीमेंट जब करोगे आगे देखोगे तो आपको सारा चीज समझ में आ जाएगी। ओके, नो वरीज। एंड आपको लगती है नहीं, मैं आपको एक प्रैक्टिकल डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करके भी दिखाऊं, उसके लिए भी आप कमेंट करिए, कमेंट बॉक्स में आपके लिए एक लाइव फोरम भी अरेंज कर दूंगा, नो वरीज अबाउट दैट। चलिए, मैंने बोला था कुछ देर के लिए ओ डेटा सर्विसेज। ओके, तो ज्यादातर CDS व्यू जो है ओ डेटा में चलती है। ये CDS व्यू फिर क्या होती है, CDS व्यू इसीलिए यूज होती है क्योंकि आपको मोर एंड मोर फास्टर करनी है, सारा चीज स्ट्रक्चर में रहती है। आपको समझ में आ रही होगी थोड़ा बहुत टेक्निकल में बोल रहा हूँ, इसलिए डोंट बी पैनिक एट ऑल, डोंट बी थिंक दैट कि नहीं मेरा सर में थोड़ा सा प्रेशर आ रही है, नो नॉट एट ऑल। सी देखिए, सबसे पहला क्या होता है, आपका टेबल में डेटा स्टोर होती है, स्ट्रक्चर में कभी डेटा स्टोर नहीं होती है, टेबल में ही डेटा स्टोर होती है। स्ट्रक्चर क्या करती है, टेबल से डेटा लेती है किसी एक माध्यम के थ्रू, एंड उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग स्ट्रक्चर। मगर वो डेटा में जब भी सीडीएस व्यू होती है, वो स्ट्रक्चर बनती है, हमेशा स्ट्रक्चर बनती है, एंड उसी स्ट्रक्चर में डेटा स्टोर करती है। एक फैंटास्टिक कॉन्सेप्ट दिया हुआ है एसएपी ने, जिसके वजह से ये क्या होती है कि मोर एंड मोर फास्टर हो जाती है, मोर एंड मोर फास्टर हो जाती है। ये मैंने आपको एक बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट बताया, एक लेमैन प्रोस्पेक्ट से कॉन्सेप्ट बताया, बट टेक्निकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, क्योंकि ये फोरम जो ऑर्गेनाइज हम किए हुए हैं, ये सिर्फ या मेटाफर कंसल्टिंग इस फोरम को जो ब्रॉट आउट करके लेके आया है, ओनली फॉर द फंक्शनल गाइज एंड basic for the technical guys. Okay, for more to more advanced for the technical is different, and more to more for functional is different. This is just a basic understanding. मतलब आप सोच सकते हैं कि just and just for the beginners, एडवांस के लिए डेफिनेटली मैंने बोला कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करिए, will be brought out a separate forum for technical, for separate forum for the functional guys, and going to give you the clear demonstration in SAP S4 HANA platform by using the SAP Fiori development, custom app development, use of the development, and definitely how to use it, mass maintenance, all these things, many more scenarios are there that we are going to be display it out. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं एंड समझने का कोशिश करते हैं। जो कुछ ही देर पहले मैंने बताया था आपको टेक्निकल कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस, ओके, सम कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस आर देयर एंड टेक्निकल कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस। अभी यहां पर देख रहे हैं, दीज आर द टेक्निकल नेम्स, ओके, इतने सारे नेम है, मतलब एक तरीके का समझ लीजिए कि इंक्लूड प्रोग्राम्स है, ठीक है, बट द मेन प्रोग्राम इज दिस वन, दिस इज कॉल्ड द यूआई एप्लीकेशन, दिस इज द मेन प्रोग्राम। ओके, नाउ दिस पर्टिकुलर एप्स लॉन्चर, ये जब भी लॉन्च हो जाती है, देन व्हाट आर द एक्टिविटीज दे कैन एबल टू डू, चेंज कर सकती है, क्रिएट कर सकती है, डिस्प्ले कर सकती है, मैनेज कर सकती है, लाइक दैट दीज आर द एक्टिविटीज आर बीइंग देयर। नाउ कमिंग टू द पॉइंट ऑफ द टेक्निकल कैटलॉग। ये कैटलॉग क्या होती है, ये कैटलॉग होने के लिए, ओके, ये कैटलॉग होने के लिए हम आपको थोड़ा सा आगे बताएंगे। सो टिल द पीरियड, टू मोर जॉब सीकर्स आप रेज्ड देयर क्यूरी, उनको थोड़ा सा हम लोग समझ लेते हैं। एक लक्ष्मीकांत करके है, Audio issues. Yeah, I do think so. Audio is coming on. Now, guys, sorry for the inconvenience. In between, we find it out some audio issues, and right now we are resolving the audio issues. And let me check and confirm from the IT team that whether this issue has been resolved or not. Yes. So what we can do now, system readiness. Okay. So this is called the system readiness, whether it is installed or do not installed. If you can able to check, so system is going to say that okay, these are the apps has been installed and these are the apps has not been installed. Okay, like that. This is the graph. You can see it. As I already said up, I didn't install any of the app. That is the reason it is not going to display over here. So this is more or less related to apps related information. And now if you want to upgrade your apps, then you can go over here and upgrade it. Okay. This is the basic and peripheral activities which I am trying to highlight it. Now just move towards and understand the other concepts. So कैसे फ्यूरी लाइब्रेरी को एक्टिवेशंस करनी है एंड इस एक्टिवेशन के लिए क्या आइडेंटिफाई करनी है, that all activities I display it out one after another. This is the basic fundamentals which I am going to give it, but for the more details, as I already said up, request it us so that we can able to give the concrete idea. Otherwise, if you can think no, you can able to directly join to the Metaphor Consulting and our expert consultant is going to teach you. That is a fantastic thing which you are thinking in your mind. Otherwise, we are organizing the live event. Request us, we'll do it. Guys, let's be summarize. So सबसे पहले जो क्वेश्चन एंड प्रोपागंडा मार्केट में आई हुई थी, ये है आपका मेरे को करनी है कि नहीं करनी है, एसएपी फ्यूरी का डिमांड है कि नहीं है. So now we are going to summarize because the time has been arises into the market and the time is coming into the market so that we will be understood what to do, what not to do. So going ahead, first, SAP Fiori is a good to start with. We searched into the Google itself because here many things we are going to do. Many things we are going to do it in this forum itself. And one of the activity is called the Googling also we are doing because we already set it up. ये फोरम जो है कुछ अलग तरीके से हम लोग लाने वाले हैं एंड अलग तरीके से ही लाए थे एंड अलग तरीके से आपको समझाने का कोशिश भी कर रहे हैं. So don't be panic, don't be hesitate, don't be misguided, do not be confused, do not go anything beyond to that. I just have to tell you there are enormous fresher jobs are available. Just listen, just follow the instructions which we are doing. IT team has been request. There is a lady called Kirti Kumari. Once again comment Fiori के benefit और challenges क्या होती है. Very good, Kirti. That's the fantastic questions you being asked in this forum itself. But definitely for that we'll be bring out some other forum where we can able to enlargely explain about what is the benefit, what are the drawbacks, what are the pros and cons. But in a slight glitch, I just have to give it to you since you asked the question. See, earlier Fiori app prior to UI5, it was very slow rather than GUI. Okay, and the benefit is in GUI you have to remember the transaction code or maybe use the navigation pane instructions. But in UI or in Fiori, a user do not wants to understand, do not wants to remember anything. Simple concept I just have to tell you. Let's suppose you are in the Googly. Okay, so let's suppose I just have to put the Google and here I just have to give okay SAP training in Jamshedpur. So what will happen? So Metaphor Consulting name is coming into the picture as I already said up. This is the way what will happen. The SAP Fiori is going to work. Okay, so what will happen? It is a UI based application, it is a user based applications. Whenever a user is going to search, whenever I am going to search over here, let's suppose if I am going to search over here now SAP training, now automatically it is coming okay SAP training in Jamshedpur. Similar concept is given in the UI file. Okay, and that is the very flexible part of the SAP Fiori app. Rather than that, there are many beautiful things is available in SAP Fiori that will be brought out in the next forum and will be considering your request. So let me conclude the summary. I hope so, Kirti Kumari, you can get some sort of idea and difference between the benefit and challenges of SAP Fiori. So in summary sections, what we can do, let's be summarize, be brought out, be just bring and brought out some sort of measurable things where a students, job seekers and middle skills of the uh, jo job seekers are thinking always, and on that prospectory and marginary we are putting these questions on. चलिए सबसे पहले हम लोग समझ लेते हैं एसएपी फ्यूरी इज गुड टू स्टार्ट विथ। ये एक फ्रेशर का नॉर्मल फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चंस रहता है। चलिए, तो एसएपी फ्यूरी इज ए डेफिनेटली गुड चॉइस। ये हम लोग नहीं बोल रहे हैं, गूगल भी बोल रहा है। यस, इट कैन बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर एसएपी फ्रेशर्स टू लर्न एसएपी फ्यूरी UI5 ऐप। ओके, तो आप एसएपी फ्यूरी में एज ए टेक्निकल या फंक्शनल या टेक्नो फंक्शनल के हिसाब से अपना कैरियर बना सकते हैं। इट्स नथिंग एंड नथिंग कॉल्ड द एम्बैरेसमेंट, नथिंग एंड नथिंग कॉल्ड द लूजिंग द अपॉर्चुनिटी। यू आर गेनिंग द अपॉर्चुनिटी, यू आर राइजिंग द अपॉर्चुनिटी, ओके, एंड राइजिंग योर कैरियर टू। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के ऊपर ध्यान डालते हैं, विच द पीपल आर कॉमनली आस्किंग इट। व्हाट विल बी द सैलरी आफ्टर 5 years इन एसएपी फ्यूरी? नॉर्मली हम लोग डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कि एसएपी फ्यूरी में फ्रेशर का क्या सैलरी पैकेज थी एंड उसका क्या होनी चाहिए थी। बट फ्रेशर जब एक्सपीरियंस बन जाती है तो कितना सैलरी तक पहुंचती है, बट एक एजम्पशन। चलिए देखिए, जब तक 5 साल नहीं होती है, 5 साल तक तो हम लोग वैसे भी रगड़ के काम करते हैं, ठीक है। 5 साल के बाद एक्सपेक्टेशन शुरू होती है, हाँ भाई मेरे को थोड़ा सा, इनफैक्ट नाउअडेज द डे वन इटसेल्फ वी हैव द एक्सपेक्टेशंस कि भैया मैंने आज से काम कर रहा हूं तो मेरे को क्या मिलने वाली है। बट अंडरस्टैंड दैट 5 साल के बाद एक ड्रीम एक्सपेक्टेशन शुरू होती है, इसको ड्रीम एक्सपेक्टेशन। तो कितना होना चाहिए आप देख सकते हैं, 4 से 5 साल का एक्सपीरियंस आपको होती है तो आपको 18.6 लाख का सैलरी पैकेज मिलती है। ये एक ऑन एवरेज स्टैंडर्ड लिया गया है एंड प्रैक्टिकली ये मिलती है दोस्तों, इसमें कोई हेजिटेशन नहीं है। चलिए नेक्स्ट कंसर्न के ऊपर ध्यान डालते हैं। इज एसएपी फ्यूरी सर्टिफिकेशन इजी और डिफिकल्ट? Definitely, SAP Fiori certification is too much easy for the experienced candidate. That's true, but it is not that much of hurdle or hardened stuff for the fresher guys too. If you have the knowledge and you can able to bring up some sort of exercise, then you also going to pass the certification. Nowadays, certification is not a matter at all. Okay, anyone can able to do. चलिए नेक्स्ट कंसर्न्स के ऊपर ध्यान डालते हैं एंड ये लास्ट कंसर्न है। सो ओके, सो इन दिस वे वी कैन एबल टू कंक्लूड। ओके, सो व्हाट इज द फ्यूचर ऑफ एसएपी फ्यूरी? ये सबसे बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है। मेरा फ्यूचर क्या है इफ आई एम गोइंग टू गो फॉर द एसएपी फ्यूरी, एंड एसएपी फ्यूरी का खुद का क्या फ्यूचर है? तो एसएपी फ्यूरी का सिग्निफिकेंट फ्यूचर है, क्योंकि आगे जाके एसएपी फ्यूरी के थ्रू एआई यूज होने वाली है एंड ऑलरेडी एआई यूज हो चुकी है। कुछ ही देर पहले जैसे कीर्ति कुमारी एक मैसेज डाले थे कि क्या बेनिफिट है, क्या एडवांटेज है। एक एडवांटेज हम आपको यहीं पर दिखा दे रहे हैं, एआई। इसको